How about you put it in? Oh. What?
That motherfucker burnt. That motherfucker burnt. Yo, who made this?
Me.
Who made this?
Look good, right?
Oh hell no, who eating it, bro?
You.
I'm not finna eat that, bro.
You is, nigga.
I'm not. I ain't gonna put
Is that done?
That's done, my boy. That motherfucker good. Motherfucker done.
Bro, my hot chocolate is good, bro.
Here,
That's not the only reason why you came. Alright, so you got the cheese off.
So what?
You gotta help me.
How to cook what? I mean, you just flip them around, bro. You really don't gotta do anything, bro. Yeah, bro. They cook by themselves. What the box said? I don't know. But these burgers. Sheesh. Good. Good. Yeah, man.
You mean I can add? What do you mean? Bro, I'm about to smack you.
Motherfuckers busting, nigga.
It's not.
Got some nigga eggs. We got food.
You making a whole fucking breakfast.
We in the motherfucking kitchen, nigga.
How do we make sunny side up?
Sunny side up. No reason. Grab the egg,
do I
bro.
just crack
Smack
it?
them up. Just smack that bitch. Just smack. Oh, what the fuck? Do it again. Nah, you gonna break it. Oh, that shit busting, nigga.
Yo, get out of here,
That motherfucker busting, nigga.
It's not busting. Look,
That
weird.
motherfucker busting, nigga.
No, I dropped the shell, bro.
What the fuck?
I do not know how to cook.
Take that. You gonna burn yourself, my nigga.
To get the egg out, bro, I have to.
Alright, you good, you good. Dude, you opening the egg. You supposed to, yo.
Alright, there you
You
go.
supposed to crack the egg. What is you doing, bro? You supposed to crack the egg. What the fuck this nigga doing, bro? That motherfucker look good, nigga.
No, it doesn't, bro.
That motherfucker look like a titty, nigga.
So do I just...
This motherfucker titty, nigga.
let's get scrambled eggs.
Alright, bro, we straight, we straight. We got some scrambled eggs. Not, alright. You wanted to do that? Scrambled way? That way? Motherfucker bust. All right, bro. Tell him what you doing. Oh yeah, you gotta put seasoning, bro.
Oh yeah.
You almost forgot. Bro. You're black. You gotta put seasoning. You gotta put seasoning, bro.
All right, bro. Garlic.
You gotta put seasoning,
nigga,
bro.
damn.
You got to put
I'm
seasoning.
about to bust you upside your damn head. I know I gotta
You're
put seasoning.
black. You have to use seasoning. Bro, you're black.
Shut up, nigga.
It is a law.
Can you back up, bro? I gotta do this, bro.
All right, bro. I got you. All right, bro.
I don't even know what seasoning.
What the hell you using, bro?
No.
I'm at a black person's house. I'm supposed to be eating good. What are you doing? All right, that motherfucker look good, nigga.
All right, bro.
That motherfucker. All right, bet. All right, you put some pepper on that motherfucker. That motherfucker look good, nigga. Let me show y'all niggas real quick. That motherfucker look good, nigga. That motherfucker look good, nigga. My mom don't cook like. No, I'm fucking with you. All right, now we finna scramble the eggs real quick. You know what I'm saying? We about to.
Good,
that
dog.
motherfucker smell good, nigga. All right, you gonna mix that bit? Comment down below what's your favorite breakfast, nigga. What you like to eat for breakfast, nigga? I'm gonna get awkward as you. Just to piss this nigga off. Let's go.
I'm gonna wait.
Let's go, nigga.
Let me clear my work.
Let's get. That's how you fucking make eggs, nigga.
Oh shit.
That's how you fucking make
the grease in there
eggs,
and shit?
nigga. That's how you fucking make eggs, nigga. It's 2022. Bro, you gotta give them the sauce on the eggs, bro. There's something different in these eggs. There's gotta be something different in these eggs. Bro, do you see these?
You already know the black people gotta have this.
Oh my god.
Seasoning cap.
This nigga cooking the best eggs in the world, bro. These are the best eggs
Bro,
in the
you're bugging,
world. This. Alright, bro. Mix it up. You know what I'm saying? You gotta mix it. Coming out good, man.
If you don't eat your eggs with ketchup, nigga, you're weird.
So what?
If you don't eat your eggs with ketchup, you're weird.
It's fat. Are you gonna mix it up?
Put more seasoning.
Yeah, a little bit more, This is a life tip, bro. There's never enough seasoning. Keep pouring the seasoning, bro. Bro, put more seasoning.
I'm trying, bro.
Put more seasoning.
I'm trying, bro. I'm trying.
More seasoning, bro.
No, nigga, you want your shit to taste like ass.
More seasoning, bro. What is you doing?
Like ass.
More seasoning, bro.
I'm about to dump the whole fucking bottle if you don't shut up.
What, nigga? Fight this motherfucker. All right, bro. What you about to do, bro?
You know what I'm about to do.
All right, show me what you about to do, bro. Ugh, nigga. All right, that's too much. All right, we good.
I said I'm done.
We
bro.
good. All right. Now mix it up. Mix it up.
Oh shit, that shit burnt. That shit
burnt
burnt.
Look, he burnt the eggs. Bro, this is the second time he did this. He burnt the egg. Bro, this is the second. I gotta go, bro.
What you mean, bro? You ain't gotta go. Where you going, bro?
I gotta go, bro.
Where you going, bro? I just cooked breakfast, bro.
I gotta go.
Where you going?
Tell Aunt Jemima to come pick up her eggs, cause I'm not eating them.
Yes, you is, dog.
I'm not eating them.
Eggs.
Yeah. Alright, man.
Go eat these fucking eggs.
Nigga, fuck your eggs, nigga.
Alright, ready? So,
Fuck your eggs,
bro,
nigga.
get with the camera, bro.
Fuck your eggs, nigga. Are you ready? Alright, put the eggs on there, bro. Alright. That's how you make eggs, bro.
Well, we gotta clean up the workstation.
That's how you make eggs. That's how you make eggs the right way. For all y'all who didn't know, this is how you make eggs the right way. Stop doing it the dumb way, bro. This is a chef, my nigga.
I'm not a chef.
This is a chef. Y'all better respect the food, bro. Y'all drop a like. What is you doing? You gotta, bro, drop a like. Come on, my nigga. Drop a like. What is you doing? That's what I, thank you, my nigga. You in the back, thank you. Now, it's time to eat. Right here. Thank you, man. This is a full course meal, my nigga. I'm about to go down. This is cooking with WavyBoyB. I'm a chef now. I'm not even WavyBoyB. No, I'm chef. I'm a chef.
Chef Boy B.
Don't call me nut. No, I'm a chef.
Chef Boy B.
Simple.